Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Navidullah. Today we will define all parts of speech with examples. So let's define. The first one is noun. What is noun? Definition number first. Noun is the name of person, place, thing, or an idea. Definition number second. Naming words are called noun. Definition number third. The name of everything is called noun. For example, persons. Asad, Navidullah, and Wasim's are persons. Place. Dargai, Caldera, and schools are places. Think, pin, ball, and books are things, and ideas, freedom, love, and head. These are ideas which shows noun. The second one is pronoun. What is pronoun? A word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you, and they. The third one is verb. What is verb? Number past. Action words are called verb. Number second. A word which shows an action of noun and pronoun is called verb. Number third. A word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence. For example, go, come, speak, eat, write, work, etc. The fourth one is adverb. What is adverb? Number first, a word which modifies verb, adjective, or other adverb is called adverb. Number second, it shows the quality of verb. Number third, a word or phrase that modifies the meaning of an adjective, verb, or other adverb expressing manner, place, time, or degree. For example, gently, here, now, very, etc. The fifth one is adjective. What is adjective? Number first, a word which describes the quality of noun and pronoun is called adjective. Number second, an adjective shows the quality of noun. Number third, a word which qualifies noun is called adjective. Number fourth, qualitative words are called adjective. For example, good, bad, small, big, black, white, long, etc. The sixth one is preposition. What is preposition? Number first, a word which shows the position of noun and pronoun is called preposition. Number second, a preposition shows a relationship between ideas in a sentence. Number third, preposition usually answer the question where or when. Number four, they often tell the location of a person or an object in time or space. Number five, a word which connects verb with an object is called preposition. For example, to, on, by, in, since, for, of, with, beneath, above, etc. The seventh one is conjunction. What is conjunction? Number past. Joining words are called conjunction. Number second. A word which joins two words, phrases, or two sentences is called conjunction. For example, or, and, but, that, because, so, etc. The eighth one is interjection. What is interjection? Number past. An interjection is a part of speech that shows the emotion or feeling of the someone. Number second. Emotional words are called interjection. Number third. A sudden express of feeling that may be wondering, sadness, fearing, anger is called interjection. For example, wow, oh, awesome, excellent, superb, etc. Hopefully, you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.